Hello everyone, my name is Gilbert Lee. I'm a captain, retired from the sea for 15 years. I quit my sea career, tried to make a living by teaching in the navigational department, but it took me too much time, so I quit the job also. Now I have prepared some material to promote my idea of the bridge resource management and human elements management. I have written 2 books, one in English, as you see from the picture, Managing Collision Avoidance at Sea. This was published in the Nautical Institute. And another one is Chinese version, is my careful studies after the first English edition. The name of the second one is Close Quarter Collision Avoidance. The reason why I keep on studying on this subject is because I was an instructor of simulator in Evergreen company. So this is my privilege and also my obligation, because human wisdom is not coming from our hard work. It's coming from our subconscious. So anything comes from there must have some reason. I just explain the things I found. Hope to help you career at sea more easier and more pleasant. That's why I keep on studying on this. Okay, first let's make an explanation of the collision. 2 things collide must have one thing in common. The first thing is their coastline have crossed each other. The second thing is they arriving the point at the same time. Okay, I make the picture. The collision point is the intersection point of 2 ships' coastline. So, if the ships are going to collide, they must have a collision point. In another word, if these 2 vessels' coastline never cross each other or intersect with another vessel, there will be no risk of collision. So it's quite simple here. But another condition for collision is these 2 vessels arriving in the same time. Okay, our study is help you from the map of the radar screen, or from the left to the right one. You see, we always see the collision risk in the radar screen, but we will make the situation more clear for you that your eye seeing in this moment. This is our study to make your career more pleasant and happy. Okay, now we will show you a video tape. This our own vessel, color red, is heading 090, and he is about to disembark the pilot. So the pilot vessel is in his south. Right now he crossed the traffic lane in a stupid smooth, because we already said if 2 vessels coastline cross each other, there will be a collision risk. Now he's crossing the lanes of the inbound vessel. He's right now outbound. So this first collision risk, we cannot see from this VDR, but in the radar screen, there were some small vessel inbound. And also other vessel outbound, they were sailing in the south of the channel because the current is coming from north. If you're sailing in the traffic lane, then the pilot disembark. You have to close the traffic lane. After he disembarked the pilot, the captain increased ship speed. Original speed was 8.5 knots. Right now he's speeding in 13 knots. So he had to coming back from his northern part of the traffic lane back to his own traffic lane. Right now he's trying to alter course to starboard side. Now course made good is 104 degrees and the speed is 14.5 knots. Okay, right now we will start here. Okay, if you can follow me up on the above sentence, then you must be qualified for a master. Okay, for the younger and the juniors, obvious, I will explain further. Two vessels coastline cross each other, like we see the red circle in the picture, means this is the collision risk area. So the master had made first mistake is crossing the westbound vessel's lane. So when he first crossed inbound vessel's direction, then he must be coming back from the north. This makes the second cross of inbound vessel's coastline. So these two red circles is collision area, or the hot spot for the collision. The reason why the pilot bring the vessel on the land, maybe because pilot have to take inbound vessel to the berth, so he want to close as possible to the inbound vessel. But if you are a good experienced master, you will take the route in the yellow area, which was far south of the traffic lane. If the pilot have to be disembarked, there will be more safe if the captain take the route in the yellow area. Even if he have to make the lead for the pilot to disembark, he still have the room to coming back to safe area. The green area is traffic lane, so everybody can see the traffic lane is actually too narrow, which save the way for the fishing vessel, but no good for the ocean-going vessel, because the big vessel need more room to maneuver it, not like the small vessel. Okay, this is maybe our first day's class. We will try to coming back for some more in tomorrow.